Gina DeLuca here. Alright, today I'm going to be doing another straight pour, but I am testing a new combination. I am using the DecoArt American Decor Metallics in sterling silver. And I am adding the ColourArte Primary Elements, the art pigments in jasmine. You can see how pretty that is. And in Payne's Gray. So I basically mixed the silver 1-to-1 with Floetrol and then added some of the pigments to that. For my base coat, this is titanium white with a touch of Payne's Gray and Prussian blue. The consistency, as you can see, is very thin. You want it to disappear immediately. You don't want it to make a mound. So I'm going to lay down my base coat. Okay, my base coat is down. Now I'm going to put some paint in a cup. I will start with my background color. Then I will do the Payne's Gray. Actually, I will do a bit more of the, I don't usually do it this way. And then pink. That should be enough. Okay, let's make a mess. I think the pinks are going to sell. We'll see what happens. Pretty colors together nonetheless. All right, not sure what's going to happen. That looked a bit thick coming out. So I may have mixed it a little too thick. Actually, I think I'll save that corner for last. I don't like the shape of it. going to be hard to actually get the little corners that I like to get. Not quite a 90 degree, but somewhat close. There we go. I'm actually going to tilt that off and stretch that. And I'm just going to move this around a bit. Give those cells a chance to pop through. As you're stretching that top layer, it makes it easier for those cells to pop up. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit and see what happens. So far, I think it's pretty just the way it is. So any other cells would just be a bonus. All right, back in a few. All right, here it is. Came out very pretty. Let's see if I can get in close so you can see that sparkle. These pigments are beautiful colors, there is no question. And it's very cool to know that you can mix it with that silver and get them to sell. I love the blending that took place between that magenta or the Snapdragon and the Payne's Gray. I'm quite pleased. All right, well that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar, if you feel so inclined, my Amazon link. If you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I will receive a small commission of at no additional cost to you. My website, GinaDeLuca.net. Pop on over there to purchase some paintings or some music, like my brand new CD, Better Than Chocolate. You can check out the official music video for Better Than Chocolate here on the YouTube. The link is also in the description box. And last but not least, join our Facebook group. Go make some art, post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration. For those asking about my big announcement, there was a bit of a snafu, a little bit of a hold up. But I should be able to tell you guys all about it next week. So fingers crossed. All right, that is it for today, y'all. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.